Ayan, breakfast na tayo guys. Yung kape ko, egg at saka dumpling. So, tapos yan ang view makikita. Wala lang, muni-muni while eating. Thank you for watching. Good morning. Ayan, happy Tuesday. Ito nga pala yung breakfast ko today. Ayan, yung bread, yung egg. Nabutas yung egg. Tapos kiwi at saka apple. Of course, may kape. Yan, kain tayo guys. Thank you for watching. Good morning everyone. Ayan, breakfast time na naman tayo. And today is Friday. So ayan, I'm cooking the pancake. Ayan. Nilagyan ko nga pala yan ng banana. Para masarap din ang pancake natin. Tapos may boiled egg ako. Tapos yung kape. Plus the view. So, ayan guys, breakfast na tayo. Thank you for watching. Good morning everyone. Ayan, mag-breakfast na naman tayo. Today is Monday. So, ito nga pala yung breakfast ko. May tinapay, may isang pancake, tapos siya, egg, ham, and isang slice lang ng apple, at saka coffee. Kasi ganitong breakfast, tamang-tama lang to sa akin. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, good morning. Ayan, breakfast time. May coffee, hindi yan mawawala. Tapos may egg, nilagyan ko siya ng garlic leaves. Tapos may bread at saka apple. This is my simple breakfast. Thank you for watching. Hello, good morning guys. Ito, breakfast na naman. So, may kape na ako, naka-ready. Tapos may isang egg, tapos apple, at saka yung banana bread. Ayan, niluto ko pala ito kahapon. So, na-perfect ko rin. So, ito lang ang breakfast ko today. Ayan, nood kayo ng view ko dyan. Yan, nasa 23rd floor pala ako, kaya yung view. Thank you for watching. Good morning everyone. Ito, magbe-breakfast na naman tayo. Ayan, yung kape ko. Tapos sandwich, nilagyan ko ng palaman sa tas, yung matamis-tamis na parang condensed dito sa pero para siya sa tinapay, at saka yung banana bread ko na niloto. So, ito lang simple breakfast ko today. Kain tayo. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, good morning. Ayan, breakfast na naman tayo. Ayan, may apple ako, eggs, at saka wonton or dumpling. Pina-fry ko lang siya. Tapos may coffee, at saka yung view. Ayan, kain na tayo guys. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and click the notification bell so that you will notify for my next video. Bye!